Over my Vibrant catch can install. So this is the location that I chose, up against the plate that I have drilled into the firewall. So those are -12 AN ORB fittings up top, push lock. These are great for catch cans. That's a 50-ounce catch can. It's actually pretty damn big. So we have the right side of the motor coming down through here, and it routes right to there, to the valve cover. And then what we have up here going up on the back side is going around the supercharger, all the wiring. And what's that gonna do is that's gonna come out up on this side, right there. So once again, it comes behind there. I left a little bit of length of the hose just so I wanted to like play with it behind, just to make sure if I wanted to move it up and down behind the wires, but I'm pretty happy with how that is. All the fittings are good. Everything was sourced from Vibrant. They're local to me, so I was pretty happy with that. And yeah, it's a super easy install. Once again, this was the only location on the car that I really have left. This is the last piece that goes in the engine bay. From here on out, it is just getting the water system buttoned up. I have some hoses coming in from Vibrant, so those are good. And then wrapping up the fuel system, and hopefully we'll turn it over and start tuning it.